Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm gonna do a video unboxing the Echo Dot. It's pretty cool because this control Alexia. If you have Bluetooth things like Bluetooth light or something, you can make it dim. You say Alexia dim it, or Alexia put my alarm on. You know, Alexia wake me up at 6. It's pretty cool. Well, let's get unboxing it. I brought it on Amazon. I think I paid like 30 something dollars, $40. It'll be in the link below on my description if you decide to buy it and like it. So it's designed around your voice, basically, you know. As voice control speakers, voice control your smart home. If you got whatever you have smart, you connect to it and it controlling. You tell her turn it on, turn it off, dim it, or it's up to you. So let's unbox it. So that open, pretty cool. Now see, it comes with a nice little black thing, black container. Try to open them nice. Okay, it has your Echo Dot, pretty nice. You have a manual for getting started. So you can connect it to your phone. You can say, Alexia, call your dad, call your wife, call your sister. You could ask her what's the news. Anything you want to ask. As you can see, it connects to all your smart home. Tell you skills, voice shopping. You can ask her to look for deals. Make a joke. As you can see, let's play Jeopardy. It's amazing. And also music. If you get the music unlimited from Amazon, as you can see, more stuff, calling and messaging. You can say text message your wife and say what you want to text. Awesome. Also comes with a wall adapter. And this is it. So now we get the wire, we connect it to the wall. I'm going to show you quick how it looks. It's amazing. As you can see, when you plug it, this is your power. Look how nice that looks. That one looks nice on top of your, look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yeah, imagine that on your nightstand. Looks nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Nice.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Awesome. Download the app and get it going. Amazing. This is unboxing the Echo Dot. Awesome. Link below will have to buy it in Amazon, direct to Amazon, so you can buy it. Like and subscribe. Thank you.